As cars age, the paint gets absolutely horrible over time, and this BMW is no exception. Even though it's got relatively low mileage, it's still got scratches and blemishes all over. Although that's probably because I drove it all the way across the country. But anyways, today we're gonna get it fixed. The local body shop quoted me $500 to $800, and I was like, So I thought, why not try it myself? So I bought this. This is the Chemical Guys polishing kit, and it should have just about everything you need to remove those scratches and get the car looking hella nice. And it only comes in at like 300 bucks. So today we're gonna see if an average guy like me can make this paint come back to life. So we're gonna give her a quick wash, then a nice clay bar, and then we'll get to use this polishing kit, and then we'll finish her off with a nice wax. Let's get to it. So what do we got? We got some professional microfiber towels. We got a foam finishing pad. And this is the foam cutting pad. As well, we got the scratch and swirl remover, as well as the waxing compound. And last but not least, we have the polisher itself. Jeez! How do I get this out? I can't get this out. Jeez! Okay. And there we have her, the polisher. Jeez! Okay, before we get started, let me show you how absolutely horrible the paint is. Look at these white lines and, oh my gosh, even the dirt still from the road trip. Absolutely horrible. Like, what did the previous owner even do to the car? It's like painted white lines. Like, bro, how is that even possible? How do you do that? Wash me. Please, wash. This is actually just so embarrassing. I'm ashamed to show this on camera. So bad. Alright, let's go get it fixed. Maybe if I water my car enough, it'll grow into an M3. Okay. Damn, isn't that so nice having a clean car? Especially when it's black, so it shows all the dirt. But, jeez. Finally clean for once. Nice. Alright, so even though the car is cleaned and it's dry now, it still feels pretty dirty. That's probably because of all the contaminants on the car. So we're going to use some Chemical Guys clay bar and some Meguiar's quick detailer. Damn, bro, why is there so much to break?
Many minutes later.
Hi. Alright, so we're just gonna toss up some quick detailer and some clay bar, and hopefully the clay bar will pick up all the contaminants that are on the surface of this hood. Make sure it's nice and wet. Lubricate that surface. Okay, I know there's still like scratches in here, but just the transformation from before clay bar to after clay bar, oh my gosh, it is so smooth now. Like satisfyingly so. I could just rub this all day long. I'm not going to, but I could. But we're not done yet. Next up, we're gonna bring out the polisher and polish out these scratches. So as you can see, we're inside right now just because it was getting a little bit dark and because we have these nice lights inside. And now we're going to get to polishing the hood. All right, so here we go. We got our Torx polisher right here. And then we also got a orange foam pad. This orange foam pad is one of the harder cutting wheels. So it's good for taking out scratches and swirls and stuff. So it's going to be the first one. And secondly, we got VSS, which is our scratch and swirl remover. This is going to be the compound that we are using with the orange foam pad. All right, let's put some coin-sized dollops onto the foam pad and get to polishing. These are some really ugly looking drops. Okay, honestly, not my best work. We'll get them next time, boys. Okay, we're gonna start in the front section here, because I think that's the section that's worse. We're just gonna, I don't know, that's what the pros are doing. Just blot it on, I guess. And then speed setting 4 to 6, they said. Work in small section, and all right, here we go. Okay, so that's like basically the first pass. I want to wipe off the residue and see how we did. Okay, so it did stuff, but there's still like scratches in it, and I think I need to go more, like for longer time. I think. I don't know, this is so nerve-wracking. Okay, here we go, round 2. Okay, we're gonna go to speed setting 5 because before on 4. Okay, so that time I went until it's a little bit clearer, more clear. And I think it's better. Damn, I have no idea. I have no freaking idea, man. Alright, so apparently I'm being a big baby and I just gotta put more pressure on because nothing's really happening. So I think that's what I'm doing wrong. Yo, this is nerve-wracking to put so much pressure on it. ASMR noises. Oh, you guys can hear that. Okay, anyways. Okay, I think that's good. I put it on for longer. And now we can wipe it off, and I swear if this doesn't work right now, I'm so sad. I honestly think we could go to a harsher cutting pad. So I think there's still scratches. But at least it's not like hazy like on this other side. Okay, progress is being made. Okay, so I'm gonna move up a little bit more into this general area and try to see if I can get out. I'm not sure if you guys can see this on camera, but there's a long scratch that goes from here all the way down here. And so I don't think it's like deep, like you can't really feel it. It's just like, just a white line. So I'm gonna try to get that out because that's really upsetting me because it's so freaking big. So, okay, let's try it. Okay, I'm not sure how well that comes across on camera, but I think that's looking pretty nice. We got out that one big ass white mark that was coming across, so I think I'm happy with that. I think the issue before was I wasn't putting enough pressure onto the machine. And now I think the scratches are starting to come out. Okay. Yo, I'm actually so amped. Let's go. Progress is being made. Alright, so now that we got most of the big scratches out with the orange pad and the VSS compound, we're going to switch up to the black pad, which is the finishing pad, and then a little bit of the butter wet wax to finish it off and give it a nice waxing. So let's go slap these on and see how it turns out. Damn, that is honestly pretty impressive at how nice the wax looks. Jeez! Okay, I'm gonna finish up the rest of the hood now. just like that, we're done all of the polishing and the waxing on this right side here. Honestly, I was a bit disappointed at how hazy it was after I did the first step, but then after the second step, oh my gosh, it's so, ooh, fingerprints. Oh, maybe I shouldn't be touching my car. All right, I'll fix that. But anyways, I was so shocked at how much the wax helped, and it's so deep now. So good. All right, let's rip up the tape and see what the difference is between the treated side and the untreated side. ASMR tape noises. Nice. All right, so you can sort of see where the tape left a little residue line there, but damn, look at the difference between the treated and the untreated. I know there's still like a little bit of scratching left here. I think I need to go back and do it a few more times, but you can definitely tell just how deep and nice the treated side is compared to the non-treated side. Treated, non-treated. If you would focus. But you can just see how nice the treated side is versus the untreated side. A lot more scratching and hazing going on, and a lot cleaner on this side. Nice! Doing this is extremely satisfying at the cost of it being extremely time consuming. It took me forever to learn how to do half a hood, but now I have an entire rest of the car to go. So I think I'm just gonna get to it, and I'll check in with you guys tomorrow and I'll let you know how it goes.
3 weeks later.
Out in the sun, the car looks absolutely insane, especially the black paint. It's like a deep mirror. It's absolutely crazy. So was it worth it to spend my time polishing this car? I would say so. It's just, it takes so much time. If you have the time lying around free to use, I would say definitely go for it. But if you want it like done by a professional and you don't want to be bothered with the time, honestly, just send it to a professional. It takes so freaking long. It took me about maybe 3 days just to polish the entire car. Damn. But I must say, polishing took out so many more of the scratches than I thought it would, especially the deeper scratches. They all came right out. It was pretty astonishing actually, so very satisfying job. But I'm super glad and I'm super proud of the way it turned out. Will I do it again? Probably, because it's sort of fun and satisfying. But damn, it really takes a lot of time and effort, and my back kills. But that's it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one.